Hi challengers! For this week's assignment, you're going to create your own song, or in other words, your own musical composition through Chrome Music Lab. Go to google.com and search for Chrome Music Lab and click the very first link that appears. It will take you to this wonderful page with different musical activities. You can experiment with these activities on your own time, but for this assignment, we're going to use the song maker. So click song maker and it will take you to this graph, this page with a lot of different boxes, and each box is a note or a musical pitch. If you want higher notes, you go up. If you want lower notes, you go down. If you make a mistake or if you just don't like what you're doing, you can click the restart button and everything will disappear. If you want this graph to be bigger, you can click settings, and where it says length, you make it bigger. Okay? Or you can make it smaller, however you want. I'm going to keep it at 4 bars, and I'm not going to mess with the rest of the settings. So you can draw a picture, you can write a word, or anything that you think would sound good. For now, I'm going to create something for you guys. Another way of adding notes is by clicking and dragging the mouse. You see how that's easier instead of clicking one by one. So let me continue with my picture. So I drew a heart. I heart. As you can tell, it says I heart music. Let's click play and listen to how it sounds. I think that sounds pretty good, so I'm going to keep it as it is and add some percussion. At the very last 2 rows, you can see that there's dots. You can click on a dot and it would add percussion. I want to create a pattern, so let's see how this is going to sound. Okay, let's listen to it. I like it, so I'm going to keep it like that. And you can change the tempo, which is how fast or how slow you want the song to be. See how it sounds really, really fast? Okay, that's way too fast. Let's see how it sounds slow. That's too slow. I'm going to keep it at 100. Okay, I like it. So you can even change the instrument. You can make it sound like a marimba. Sorry, a piano, that's a piano. We had it in marimba. You can also make it sound like this. I like the marimba, so I'm going to keep it like that. After you finish your composition, you can click save. Make sure you click save and copy the link. Once you copy the link, send it to me as a private message on Google Classroom.